Let us see the astro profile of Barack Obama, the present President of United States of America, born on 4th August 1961 at Honolulu. He is having the placement of Moon exalted in Taurus sign, Venus in Gemini, Sun and Mercury in Cancer sign, Rahu and Mars in Leo sign, Jupiter and Saturn combination in Capricorn sign, and Ketu in Aquarius sign. Here it is very important to notice that Jupiter is debilitated but is having an exalted aspect at Sun and Mercury in Cancer, and Saturn, which is placed in own sign in Capricorn, is also having an aspect, but degree wise the Sun in Cancer doesn't have the aspect of Saturn. In D9 chart, Mercury is exalted, Rahu, Ketu are exalted, Venus, Mercury and Sun are placed in Sagittarius sign. Saturn is again in the same sign, a Capricorn, making it more powerful, and Jupiter in Pisces sign, making good the debilitation of Jupiter in his birth chart. Moon is placed in Aries sign. Now let us see what his D10 chart shows. His D10 chart is having Moon in Aries, Mars in Taurus, Mercury in Gemini, Venus Leo, Rahu exalted in Virgo with Saturn and Sun, Jupiter in Scorpio, and Ketu exalted in Pisces sign. Here I would like to share with all my viewers and listeners that regarding Barack Obama, I had predicted before in the last elections, 3 months before, I predicted that Mr. Barack Obama would prevail over John McCain, the Republican counterpart, and the prediction is available in my site www.karmicastro.com. What his stars foretell now, we would see it later in our subsequent episode. Now let us see the astro profile of Mitt Romney, born on 12th March 1947 at Detroit. He is having exalted Rahu Ketu in his chart and Moon in Scorpio with Jupiter forming Honcio, Saturn in Cancer sign, Venus in Capricorn, and Sun, Mars and Mercury in Aquarius sign. In D9 chart, Mercury and Rahu are in Aries, Venus is in own sign Taurus, Sun is in Gemini, Moon and Jupiter are again combined in that, this time in Leo, Saturn is in Virgo sign, Ketu in Libra, and Mars is exalted in Capricorn sign in D9 chart. Let us see what is there in his D10 chart. His D10 chart is again having Rahu Ketu exalted in Taurus and Scorpio sign, making it Vargotami according to Indian Vedic astrology. Mars and Saturn are combined in Gemini sign, Venus in Aquarius, Jupiter, Moon and Mercury are in Leo sign. Since his moon sign is Scorpio, this sign is afflicted by the transit of Rahu. Though the Rahu Ketu's transit is aspecting the natal Rahu Ketu positions which are exalted in D10 chart also, hence it is likely to have lesser impact if we look at the negativity of that impact. It would be lesser to some extent. Saturn is also having a degree wise aspect on the natal Saturn from the transit positions, but his moon sign is having the adversity of Saturn in Libra and 12th house. Jupiter from June onwards would be favorable to him, his moon sign and to the natal position of Jupiter. Remaining astro profile we would examine later, as he is running under the influence of Sun Mercury period during the course of second half of 2012.